welcome to our video on environmental, social and governance. Today we'll be talking about the important concepts that affect the businesses and universities like ours. They are mainly the ISO 26000, diversity, equity and inclusion, climate risk and corporate social responsibility.
I have been hearing a lot about ISO 26000. So what's it all about?
So ISO 26000 is an international standard developed by the International Organization for the Standardization, which provides the guidance on the social responsibility for organizations of all types, regardless of their nature, types or the size of their organizations. So it was mainly officially published in the November 2010, which aims to help the organizations to socially responsible manner, contributing to the sustainable development while considering the ethical, social and the environmental economic factors. So mainly it is based on the standards of accountability, transparency, human rights.
Important. It's not a certification but more like a guide.
Yes, exactly. So ISO 26000 is more like a guideline, not a certification. So mainly the organization practices how to operate in a socially responsible manner, but there's no formal certification organization use just to save just for their company's reputation. So mainly it helps to improve their efforts in certain areas such as human rights, environmental sustainability, ethical business practices and community involvement. I would like to add something that, like, by following the ISO 26000 guidelines, organizations can improve their social responsibility by ensuring they contribute positively to the community and the environment. So they should focus both on the business profits as well as on the society.
Let's talk about diversity, equity and inclusion, which means creating a space where everyone, no matter their race, gender or background, feels welcome and respected.
Diversity, equity and inclusion is all about making sure that everyone, regardless of their background, has access to the resources and opportunities. Exactly. In our campus, we try to focus and make sure that all the voices are heard, whether it is class discussion, leadership roles or social clubs. Everyone deserves a seat to the table. And inclusion means that no one is left out.
But how do we make sure that it's fair for everyone?
Well, it's not just about creating or having a diverse people. It's about creating an environment where everyone feels like they belong. Whether it's supporting different cultures or making sure whether there is no barrier to participation, equity is the key. And important that all students feel that they are equal and have equal opportunities. Now I would like to summarize by embracing we are not only making our university better, but we are also making a world better place where everyone's voices are heard and seen.
Now let's talk about the climate risk. This refers to the challenges that climate change poses to our campus, like extreme weather events or even new laws that require us to reduce carbon emissions.
But how does that affect us here on the campus?
Great question, Isha. For instance, if a big storm hits, it could damage campus, building or disrupt classes. Similarly, universities are being pressured to cut down carbon emission to help fight climate changes. Transition risks like new sustainability laws could affect how the campus operates in the future.
How are we dealing with these risks?
So we already are taking steps to reduce climate risk. For improving energy efficiency, we are using solar panels and even planting more green spaces like this one to help absorb carbon. We also have a program encouraging students to recycle and reduce their personal carbon footprints. We are working hard to make our campus more climate resilient, and we all play a part in reducing risk for climate change. Every small action counts.
Let's talk about the corporate social responsibility.
CSR is all about businesses. At our university, we practice CSR through initiatives like organizing charity drives, supporting local businesses and participating in environmental projects. It's about making sure that the university's operations and actions benefit not just the students but the community around us. We are also means doing these things like reducing waste on campus, promoting sustainable practices, and supporting causes that matter like fighting climate change or helping those about making sure that the university's operations and actions benefit not just the students but the community around us. CSR also means doing things like reducing waste on campus, promoting sustainable practices, and supporting causes that matter like fighting climate change or creating positive social and environmental impact. And the best part is we don't have to wait for the university to do it all. We can take initiative too by raising awareness or even leading sustainable projects. We can all contribute to a better world. CSR teaches us that we all have a part to play, whether it's through small actions on campus or by supporting global causes. Together we can make a lasting impact on our community and beyond.
Let's make the change happen for a better tomorrow.